Welcome to Vidyaniketan Academy, where we dare to dream and learn to achieve. Our motto, Dare to Dream, Learn to Achieve, inspires us to strive for excellence in all aspects of education. At Vidyaniketan Academy, we believe that education is the key to nation building, and our aim is to empower young minds to become the leaders of tomorrow. Our school features a unique daily routine that begins with Saraswati Vandana, followed by prayer and meditation, setting a peaceful tone for the day. Each child is encouraged to read English newspapers for 10 minutes, fostering a culture of reading, critical thinking, and global awareness.
Meaning fun. Please repeat after me. Meaning fun. Fun.
Okay?
New word is enjoyment.
Our master teachers, equipped with cutting-edge teaching methodologies, deliver regular classes that are engaging, interactive, and tailored to meet the needs of each student. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure provides the perfect environment for learning with modern classrooms, laboratories, and sports facilities. At Vidyaniketan Academy, we offer a holistic education that goes beyond textbooks and exams. We strive to create well-rounded individuals who are equipped with the skills, knowledge, and values to succeed in life.
As a principal of Vidyaniketan Academy, our vision is to nurture confident, compassionate, and future-ready learners. Our mission is quite simple: dare to dream, learn to achieve. And every system in the school is designed to turn this belief into action.
Our activity period is designed to bring out the best in every child, with a range of scholastic and co-scholastic activities that caters to diverse interests and talents. From sports to music, art to debate, we provide a platform for students to flourish and discover their innate skills. One of our unique features is our Taekwondo program, the only one of its kind in any school, exclusively available at Vidyaniketan Academy. This world-renowned martial art form not only teaches self-defense, but also instills discipline, focus, and confidence in our students. At Vidyaniketan Academy, we offer a holistic education that goes beyond textbooks and exams. We strive to create well-rounded individuals who are equipped with the skills, knowledge, and values to succeed in life. Join us on this journey of learning and discovery. Experience the Vidyaniketan Academy difference and unlock your full potential.
We run the school with a focus on strong academics, value-based education, and hands-on learning. Our teachers work as mentors. Our classroom promotes curiosity, and our environment encourages every child to discover their potential. student should grow not only in knowledge but also in character, becoming responsible citizens who think creatively, act ethically, and serves meaningfully to the society. At Vidyaniketan Academy, we don't just teach, we shape futures.